Dear English PGs, strivers to get across the PGTOB English examination. Greetings to all of you. Welcome to the Fluency School of English. Fluency School of English is a wonderful diving platform for you to dive into the numeric days of PGTOB English examination. Well planned and compiled material has been presented for you for pleasant study too. Watch your program until the last. Before it, please subscribe to receive my future posts. And please don't hesitate to contribute your comments and clarifications. Joyfully travel with me and collect the exact bullets to strike at this target. Thank you, dears. The Tempest Act Wise Gist. Act 1, Scene 1. Gist. A violent storm. A small ship at a sea. The master of ship alerts his crew. Chaos. Mariners come. Alonso, King of Naples, Sebastian, his brother, Antonio, Consuelo, and others. Others are from Tunis in Africa. Alonso's daughter Caribel has been married to the Prince of Tunis. The boatswain tells them to get below decks. Gonzalo reminds the boatswain that an important passenger is there. Boatswain does not care for it. He is to only save the ship. Act 1, Scene 2. Place, seashore. Prospero and Miranda stand on the shore. They witness the shipwreck. Miranda begs her father to see none on board to be harmed. Prospero assures that the safety of the passengers. Prospero informs Miranda that time has come for her to know who she is and where she comes from. Miranda becomes curious. Miranda sees her father beginning to tell her but often stops. Prospero tells Miranda about his past. He was once the Duke of Milan, famous for his great intelligence. He gradually grew uninterested in politics, turned more and more to his studies, neglected his duties as Duke. Antonio usurped Prospero of his dukedom. King of Naples played his role in it. Antonio was to pay an annual tribute to the King of Naples. King of Naples helped Antonio raise an army to march on Milan. Prospero was driven out. Antonio put Prospero and Miranda when she was below sea in an unworthy boat and left in the sea. Neapolitan provided them with food and clothing and books from Prospero's library. Now they are in the island, in this island. Now Miranda grows very sleepy because Prospero charms her with his magic. Miranda is asleep. Prospero calls forth his spirit Ariel. By a conversation between Ariel and Prospero, the audience learns the storm of Act 1 and Scene 1 was created by Prospero's magic art. Ariel acted as the wind, the thunder and the lightning. He tells Prospero that mariners and boatswain have been charmed to sleep in the ship. This ship has been brought safely to harbor. The rest of the fleet headed safely back to the Naples. Prospero thanks Ariel for his service. Ariel reminds Prospero of his promise to set him free. Prospero chastises Ariel for his impudence. Prospero reminds Ariel of where he came from and how Prospero rescued him from Sycharas. Sycharas was a witch banished from Algiers and sent to this island long ago. Sycharas had imprisoned Ariel in a cloven pine. Sycharas gave him a horrible commands. She did not free him before she died. Prospero arrived and rescued him. Prospero reminds Ariel of his debt to him. Prospero threatens to imprison him for 12 years. Prospero then gives him a new command. Ariel has to make himself a sea nymph and invisible. Prospero awakens Miranda. Prospero converses with the servant Caliban. Caliban, son of Sycharas, an uncivilized, disobedient servant. Ariel, playing music and singing, brings in Ferdinand. Prospero tells Miranda to look upon Ferdinand. Her first sight of a man other than her father. Caliban wants to consume her and bury her generation by her and fill the island. That means Caliban wants to have sex to get children to fill the island. Ferdinand reveals he is the Prince of Naples. Ferdinand reveals Miranda, he is the Prince of Naples. Prospero is pleased on Ferdinand and Miranda's love, but warns him about Miranda's virginity. At one occasion, Ferdinand draws his sword against Prospero. Prospero charms him so that he cannot move. Miranda attempts to persuade her father to have mercy upon Ferdinand. Prospero refuses. Prospero puts Ferdinand into his imprisonment. In all these events, invisible Ariel helps. only spoken by Caliban, because Caliban was always an arrogant servant. Thank you, dears. Best wishes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you feel it is satisfactory, please send me your comments and suggestions and what I must do to further improve this presentation. Thank you.